Brian Plarski, Buy Insurance Better, Cabot Insurance. My renewal for my personal insurance, it pretty much doubled. Why did that happen? What am I going to do about it as an insurance agent? So first, I looked at my own history and facts. Did anything change? Did I get in an accident? Did I move? Any scenario that could have influenced this in a way that is like logical or factual or actuarial? The answer is no. So luckily I haven't been in any accidents, and ironically I did have some physical damage to my car. Wasn't a significant amount of money, but enough where it was a cash flow decision. Should I turn this in? And I always tell clients, don't turn in small claims, don't trade dollars, they'll pay $500 to get $500 from the insurance company. That's an expensive way to do it. You will pay for it in time. And so I decided to take care of it myself, and I'm glad I did, because I would have attributed a bad renewal to that small claim I turned in. So this is just a function of the insurance company that I purchased insurance from. I have all my insurance with them. They must not be doing well in my state or in my area. So it seems like a large increase. So we are going to shop. We are not going to sacrifice coverage. I'm going to keep my liability limits at 500 CSL. I'm going to keep my umbrella high. I'm going to keep my bells and whistles on my home for water backup, service line coverage, other things that come with that. I'm going to keep those bells and whistles on there. I'm going to keep my deductibles at levels that I can afford to retain. I know I'm not going to turn a claim in for $500. So my deductible is going to be more. And so I'm going to keep it at levels that I can afford, and we are going to shop the market. So if you have a bad renewal, talk with your agent. What's going on, and then what are the options to go with it, and don't give up coverage just to try to bring the price back down. That's why you have a healthy market. That's why you have options out there. It takes time. It's not necessarily the most enjoyable experience, but at the end, the outcome will be better. You still have a good product, good coverage, and at the most competitive price. Brian Plarski, Buy Insurance, Cabot Insurance.